Hey guys, what's up? It's Matt here with Tenacious Tech TV, and today I have an unboxing and a review of the wireless keyboard made by Apple. You can see there. I already cut the plastic off just so I can open it easier. So you open it, and right away you just see the just the keyboard pretty much. So I'm gonna try and get this out. Hard to do with one hand, but yeah. So there's the keyboard. Set that aside. And then you have basically the manual, and yeah, that's it. So I'll let you guys see the keyboard really quick so you can. It's pretty small. The reason I got this was so I can use it with Bluetooth for my PS3 and also with my laptop. So here it is, and I can take the plastic off, I guess. Why not? Let's see where it connects. There it is. Flip it over. Okay, here we are. So let's see. The keyboard is very light, so it's no hassle. This is a very portable keyboard. It connects via Bluetooth. This seems like a metal actually. This part. Keys, plastic, obviously. They have command keys, not Windows, because, well, it's Apple, not Microsoft, that the software will be. So, take a look at the back. It has rubber where it'll touch the desk or wherever you're gonna put it. So there, and Apple logo on the back. You guys can see that, and yeah, well, that's pretty much about it. Just gonna let you guys see the keyboard one last time, and well, yeah, this has been Matt with Tenacious Tech TV. Please thumbs up, subscribe, and comment. See you guys later.